back to my morning report analysis videos with me, Richard Market Analyst at Attic Markets on Tuesday, 13th of June. Looking at sterling, the big mover since Friday, certainly, and having broken down below 27.75, that completed that top pattern, gives you around about sort of 275 ticks lower, implies a target of 25 big figure, but. In the meantime, got a fair bit of volatility. Yesterday, again lower, but again, you're finding a bit of support. Friday's low was 26.32, and since then we have been supported above that. Tempted it on each of the last two sessions, but it has held. So that is your initial support, certainly. The rebound today is on the back of an element or degree of political stability, and I sort of say that in inverted commas because obviously Theresa May is still not teetering, if not teetering on the brink, she's still not in a great position. So she has sort of been assured by the Tory backbenchers that her position is okay for the time being, and it's a fairly positive meeting by all accounts, but obviously politically speaking she's not in a great position to push through, so the political instability generally, or uncertainty generally in the UK is fairly high, certainly regarding Brexit anyway. So subsequently I still think that there is further potential downside in sterling, but just a near-term little bounce today. It'd be interesting to see if that gets sold into. Now, we've had a little bit of sterling gains on the back of the inflation data as well, but ultimately will it provide any real difference in the outlook? Probably not. You're sort of back into this resistance band between sort of 27 to 27.75, which we sort of traded over sort of a couple of days since the election, so it's sort of overhead supply territory now, 27.75 being that key breakdown, but I would expect there to be further pressure on that sort of 26.30 to 26.40 support that we've had in the last few days. Certainly the outlook on the momentum indicators remains corrective, and I think ultimately there is room for further sort of unwinding move. Probably back towards that 25 figure area. Next support sort of 26 area from the sort of February March highs. It's fairly sort of general support, but 25 figure is the target from the top pattern. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.